Malibu Beach, with its stunning natural beauty and mystical scenery, is a must-see destination in Los Angeles. Located along the southwest coast of Los Angeles County, Malibu is famous for its white sand beaches, clear blue waters and big waves that attract residents and visitors from around the world. Not only is it a great getaway destination, Malibu is also a place associated with the active and relaxing lifestyle of local people. Outdoor activities such as surfing, windsurfing, and coastal cycling are experiences not to be missed when coming here. Malibu, bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west, is where people and nature meet in a stunning landscape. The Malibu area is famous for its long white sand beaches, clear blue seawater, and is home to many diverse marine animals. Malibu is not only a famous tourist destination but also a typical example of the interaction between climate and human environment. With a mild and cool climate all year round, Malibu is an ideal destination for those who want to escape the hot days of Los Angeles. Coral reefs are one of the most wonderful things that nature has given to our planet. These coral systems are not only dense areas of marine animals and plants, but are also an integral part of marine habitats and a source of life for millions of other animal and plant species. At the beach, sunlight filtered through white clouds, creating a beautiful picture of brilliant summer. On the smooth sand, hot girls appear like sparkling points of light, attracting the eyes of beachgoers. Malibu Beach is not only a popular tourist destination but also an important contributor to the economy of Los Angeles and California in general. With its wild beauty, fine white sand and clear blue sea, Malibu attracts millions of tourists from all over the world every year. Besides, increased tourism can also cause overcrowding management problems and affect the quality of life of local communities. Therefore, tourism development needs to be managed in a considered and sustainable manner, ensuring that economic development goes hand in hand with environmental protection and preservation of local cultural values. Please subscribe and support our wandering channel to not miss any images from the most beautiful destinations in the world, and to share our passion with you. Together, we can explore and experience memorable moments on the coast and create everlasting memories. Join us on this journey and discover the wonderful things the world awaits.